Boys and girls, welcome back to another tutorial on my YouTube channel. In this one, I'm showing you what is a histogram, and we are also going to visualize histograms. So, histogram is basically just a histogram. I am the one, the way your son don't need. So, thank you all so much for watching, and catch you guys in the next one. All jokes aside, guys, now I'm going to tell you what a histogram is first of all. So if you look at this picture closely, this is a histogram basically. So histogram is basically, the definition goes something like it's graphical representation of data using bars. And by bars I mean these bars with different heights. And basically on the x-axis I have my data. In this example it's age, and we have 20, 30 years old, 40, etc. And on the y-axis we have how frequent that data is. So here we can read from this histogram that from the ages of 20 and 30 we have two people. From the ages of, let's say, let's get the bigger one, from the ages of 50 to 60 we have 5 people, etc. So this is basically what a histogram is. It's very simple. Now I'm going to go into my collab notebook, in which we are going to visualize some data using histograms in Python. So we're going to use this matplotlib. First of all, we're going to need to import it. And by the way, I had just have my code written beforehand, just so it's easier for me to explain and for you to understand. So now first of all, you're going to, of course, import this matplotlib.pyplot. This is basically a collection of functions that allows you to plot data like this, and I'm going to talk about this right now. So here I have just a basic list or array, if you will, in other languages, but in Python it's called list. And here I just call plt this thing. I define it over here, basically this collection of function, and I call the function hist, which stands for histogram, of course. So this function call takes in two parameters, and the first one being the array or the data we have or we want to plot into a histogram. The second parameter is the bins parameter, which I assigned a value of 10, and basically the bins parameter is just how many bars do you want. It's 10 in this example, or how many spaces do you want, as you can see. And then to show this histogram, you need to call the function show. That's how easy it is. As you can see in this array here, as I have defined, I have two number ones, and you can read this from the histogram as well. And then let's say we have the highest number is 5s. We have how many? We have five numbers. If you count them, you count 5. And that's basically it. That's basically how you visualize a histogram. Now I'm going to show you another example, which I have basically a CSV file, and I'm going to show you how you can take only one column and represent it as a histogram. It's sort of different from this example, that's why I'm showing it. So for this we're going to use pandas, of course, and then now I'm going to just use this pd or pandas, and I'm going to call this read CSV function that basically reads a CSV file that I have previously uploaded over here. So after uploading this dating CSV file, or actually after uploading and reading it and saving it to this variable, I'm going to print it, and this is basically my CSV file. I have 3 columns: month, girls, and dates. And here what I do is just I say I want from this dataset or this CSV file, which is called df for some reason. I'm going to take only the girls column, and then I'm going to call histogram on this, and that's basically how you show a histogram only for this girls column. Also, you need to, of course, do a plot.show. So as you can see now, we only have this number showing up 2 times, and that's, you can see the same thing in the histogram. So that's basically all for histograms I'm going to show you today. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.